During this project, I'm going to make a 3-tiered plant stand. The first step was to create sort of like an easel build where I used the 1x3s to create 2 different posts. I adhered these at the top with a screw so that I could actually open and close this a little bit as I built. This next step was way easier when I laid my work down on the ground. So I had my 2 side easel posts, and I was going to now put the center brackets of what would be my shelves later, and I separated these approximately 16 inches apart. You can see that I'm measuring here to make sure I have lots of headroom for plants later, since this is going to be a plant stand. I used some wood glue everywhere where I actually put my screws and put these brackets across the front and the back of this stand. Then I would be able to create my shelves next that would fit in, so this could actually fold down and the shelves could come in and out. Now the fun part was to bring this plant shelf to life by creating some shiplap wood shelves that were going to be able to come in and out of my plant stand if it needed to be folded down. I measured the depths of all 3 of my shelves as well as the length, and then I was able to create 2 small pieces for each shelf as well as the length of the shiplap shelves. I'm going to show you how I put those together and made this super easy to cut it all at once. The 2 short pieces are the depth of my shelf and the 2 long pieces are the length of my shelf. The plant stand now has its top shelf on, and I'm going to create the same process 2 more times, creating the middle and the bottom shelf. All the building was done, it was time to give it a great sanding to do all the prep work before putting on a clear coat.